this is being very aggressive, We have a very pump to 25.24 and we have 25.11. Wow, this is very tremendous volatility right now. They have a problem between Raja Banks and Noman, limitless Noman, that I hit stop loss in this big candle on Friday. अस्सलाम वालेकुम फैमिली, होप यू ऑल वेल। पता नहीं इस वीक में मैंने कॉन्फ़िगरेशन बदलाई थी कैमरा की और इसकी क्वालिटी बहुत लो हो गई है, लाइक एकदम से। आई डोंट नो इफ इज द क्वालिटी, इफ इज द मोड दैट आई वाज फिल्मिंग, आई डोंट नो, बट आई जस्ट सॉ व्हाट आई वाज एडिटिंग, बट या सॉरी फॉर दैट एंड लेट्स गो फॉर मोर प्रॉफिट्स। Let's analyze what is going to happen today in the market, because as you guys already know, the first thing to do on Sundays is to analyze the news and then to analyze the charts. So before everything, let's get to it. We start the week by having some news for Jan, in this case GDP, and it came same as the previous one. On Tuesday, we have German CPI that came same as previous one, that is deflation minus 0.1%. On Wednesday, we have GDP that we're gonna see it in another page. We have monthly CPI, year CPI, and the most important thing is this one, because they are cutting 0.3%. That means it's positive reaction for USD. And on Thursday, we have interest rate of Euro that they are cutting 25 points, in this case 0.25%. Initial jobless claim that is still missing. PPI monthly that came positive, that is good for USD. And we have 30 years bond auction that come with nothing. GDP claimant con change came less, so that means it's negative because there are more people in unemployment situation. We have GDP that came positive because it's 0.2% in comparison with the previous one, that is 0.0. And we have unemployment claims that is positive, so that is a negative reaction for USD. We have some sort of controversy because this week is very important before of having the interest rate, that is the next week. That means this is a period of blackout when all of the members of the Fed are not allowed to say anything about what they can expect in the meeting. So everything that is going to happen this week is going to be absolutely silence for all of the members of the Fed. But before we get to the charts, let's go and take a look of the 2-star news. We have GDP Jan that is in this case are coming same on the forecast. We have building approvals for out that came positive. What will be expecting for this week? Let's start with the XY. We are in this range signs 2 weeks. इसी एरिया में हम घूम रहे हैं, फेड का इंतजार हो रहा है, और इस वीक में जो CPI है उसका भी अंदाजा लगा सकते हैं क्या हो सकता है. GBP USD do the same shit that happened in Euro USD. अगर आपने पुराना ब्लॉग देखा होगा कि मेरे साथ क्या हुआ था NFP में. GBP NSD maybe give us for this start of the week this short. I am not into it, but probably can give us 1-1 ratio 1-1. In case we have something not clear, I am looking still EuroChef this short. Okay, NSD and NSD CAD nothing, that is not of my preference. And out GPY, if you have to continue the trend, it would be a short, and the short will be in almost in this place. The two trades that I will be looking will be EuroChef and out GBPY, because this is something very clear for me. That is the only thing that I see clear. Let's take a look of GBP out. There is something interesting. GBP out, there is no clear tendance. या इधर आके रुक गई है, इसी जगह पे आके रुक गई जगह मेरा इंतजार था. और GBP CAD, something clear. GBP CAD, yeah, nothing on GBP CAD 2. Probably came all the way down. That happened on Friday, and it goes all the way up. Yeah, there is no clean setup that I will be maintaining with GBP out and out GBP, sorry, and EuroChef. I am still in -4% in the funding account. I am almost -4% in the funding account. I took some trades on Chow that gave me a good risk ratio, we can say, and that allow me to recover some part of the losses that of the previous week. So that means the real stop loss of the past week was minus 1.35%, and I am improving in it's a very scalp, we can say, session on Chow. I am sometimes took in that trade to try to in some pips. टाइम आ गया प्रॉफिट बनाने का, क्योंकि बहुत अरसा हो गया कि हम लॉसेस के स्ट्रीक में जा रहे हैं. सो ऐसा ऐसा हम अच्छी चीजें करते रहेंगे और प्रॉफिट आता रहेगा. सो लेट्स गो फॉर मोर प्रॉफिट्स एंड लेट्स हैव अ गुड स्टार्ट ऑफ द मंडे. This is the first time since I start making this content that I didn't take any trade on Monday, because I am really not comfortable at all watching the charts. And GBP card is one of the trades that I was watching yesterday, and it came all the way down and it opened and now it's running some pips. But as I already told you, I am not into taking silly trades this week, so it's better for me to be outside the market that rather to be in the market with fear. Something interesting is in euro out that I hit stop loss in this big candle on Friday. I didn't see it because I was not in my personal account, so I have to count that it is minus 0.95% in this position because I put the position and I forgot. This is a fault for me. We will be looking for some kind of longs in case something happened because it hit stop loss in this sale, so we'll be looking some buys right over here. Today is 11 September 2024. 23 years ago, something very bad happened to the world that changed all the paradigm for all the members, and especially for the Muslims around the world. But let's don't talk about what is my thought personally, but it's something that to remind that what happened in the past. Let's talk about the CPI of August that came 4 minutes ago, and I forgot to film my screen. So we are expecting 3.2%, 0.2%, 0.2%, and 2.5%. The only thing that changed was the core CPI monthly that came 0.3%. We have this volatility on Chow, and look at right now on Euro is completing our analysis after hitting our stop loss. NSD card is something that I mark in the morning because it's still bearish, and yeah, it is completing. GBP card it was one of the pairs that I didn't consider because I don't like the pair, because जब भी मैं analysis करता हूँ ये हमेशा stop loss हो जाता है. Our GBP it didn't open my trade for 2 pips and it gave me ratio 1:1. Yesterday at night we have the debate, the interview debate between Kamala Harris and Donald Trump, and most of the points was one was attacking to other. Kamala Harris was attacking to Trump, Trump was attacking to Joe Biden, but the campaign of Kamala Harris are expecting or want another debate on October, 1 month before the election. The 63% of the spectators thinks that Kamala Harris wins against Trump in the debate. That is an interview in the CNN. Taylor Swift endorsed Kamala Harris after presidential debate. We have to admit that Donald Trump did many good things for the country that किसी president ने नहीं किया. Another thing that is very important for me is that the platform that I was taking trades, so I was funding. I try to become funding in that company is Fund and Lion. That they have a problem between Raja Banks and Noman, Limitless Noman. Now they are migrated to C-traded to MT5. So I am waiting this week to don't take any trades till the migration is complete. Hello family. Today is interest rate of Euro and we just have it, and that means they are cutting. In this case 0.75%, that means 75 points. And it's interesting because in the beginning of the week on Sunday when we analyzed, the rate cut was 0.25%. I will put a clip and you guys can see it. And on Thursday we have interest rate of Euro that they are cutting 25 points, in this case 0.25%. But in the same time in Forex Factory the rate cut was 3.65%. So that means कि हमने सही तरीके से देखा नहीं था कि कौन सा rate cut है. Unemployment claims that is positive, so that is a negative reaction for USD. अभी 2 मिनटों पे एक और न्यूज़ आ रही है in case in USD, and they also change it. So we are expecting having some manipulation in favor for the USD economy. Yesterday we have a
negative reaction on euro because they have positive news for in the CPI of USD, and जैसे आप देख सकते हो USD chef completely ऊपर चला गया. That means this change our position. So now we will be looking for some buys in case something happen. Yesterday I was having anxiety because of the markets. I was expecting to have different movements on euro out, but here it gave me some kind of two buys. I didn't take none of them. एक ली थी लेकिन मैंने बाद में I closed it in almost break even or 10 pips. Then we have this short right over here, but I didn't take it. So it was like, why I'm not taking that trade, because I was very comfortable taking it. But कभी कभी हो जाता है कि दिमाग प्रॉपरली फिजिकली मेंटली हम तैयार नहीं होते ट्रेड लेने के लिए. So we didn't take it. One trade that we do take, it's this one on euro on GBP yen. थोड़ी बहुत लेट ली थी क्योंकि I was not sure about that and I was not in the chart, so I have to entry by in the market. Today is Friday. Let's talk about a small recap of what happened in the week and क्यों हमने ट्रेड नहीं ली this week में, क्योंकि well, we can't say there are a lot of reasons, but let's talk about that. USD CAD, we have this bullish momentum all over the week. GBP CAD, GBP USD, give us this strong bearish momentum because we have the CPI, that the feeling of the market was positive for USD and negative for all the pairs against USD. GBP NSD is going up because all the pairs against USD is going down. Euro USD, in the beginning of the week, we have, after the NFP of the last week, we have this bearish momentum and we have this bullish momentum because the market right now is expecting the rate cut that we are willing to have the next week. Euro out, we have that stop loss that I commented you on the beginning of the week. The only trade in TP that we have, I just eliminated. I don't know why. I think maybe because I was doing some kind of backtest. Well, the trade was right over here. It was right over here, and in this bearish momentum, it hit TP. But yeah, still having some issues with the company that I am trying to become try to have a funding account, funding line, because they have problems with the broker. So this week it was more time for myself. इस हफ्ते मैंने ट्रेड एक ली है तो अच्छा लगा मुझे. जितने ज़्यादा ट्रेड लोगे इसका ये नहीं मतलब कि आप ज़्यादा प्रॉफिट कमा सकोगे, लेकिन उस पॉइंट में अगर आप एग्जैक्टली एक ट्रेड लोगे या दो ट्रेड लोगे और आपको 100% मालूम है कि ये वाला टीपी जाएगा, तो दैट इज much better for you. I am trying to write in my diaries the feeling of the week, how is going on in that personally when I am in the charts, क्योंकि वो चीज़ें मेरे लिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है ताकि मैं मार्केट को सामना करने से पहले मैं कुछ अपनी जो फीलिंग के बारे में मैं लिख सकूँ, and that is much better for us traders. Before I finish the video, gold just hit all-time high 2583.48. That is totally insane. सोना संभाल के रखो, बेचना कभी नहीं, क्योंकि फ्यूचर में ये $5,000 का भी हो सकता है, $6,000 का भी डॉलर हो सकता है. मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. अपना ख्याल रखिएगा. लेट्स गो फॉर मोर प्रॉफिट्स. अल्लाह हाफिज़.